This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make navy bean soup. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Take 1 pound of dried navy beans and give them a good rinse under cold water. For the best texture and cooking time, soak these beans overnight in about 8 cups of water. If you're short on time, a quick soak method works too. Just boil them for 1 minute, then let them sit for 1 hour. This step is crucial for a creamy, delicious soup. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup's flavor. Grab 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. Dice them all into small, even pieces. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced vegetables and sauté them gently until they become tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for another minute until fragrant. With our aromatics ready, it's time to bring everything together. Drain and rinse your soaked navy beans thoroughly. Add them to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in 6 cups of your favorite vegetable or chicken broth, and don't forget to add 1 bay leaf for extra depth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer gently for about 1.5 hours or until the beans are tender. Our navy bean soup is almost ready. Carefully remove the bay leaf from the pot. Now, it's time to season it to perfection. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more. Serve your warm, comforting soup in bowls. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of your favorite hot sauce makes a wonderful garnish. Enjoy your homemade, easy navy bean soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.